Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Today I'll show you the sunset just in front of my living room. It's so beautiful guys. Look at that. The sky is so clear, so pretty guys. See, the sky is so pretty. It's slowly going down the sun. The sun. Slowly, slowly guys. See the surroundings. It's natural. See the sun is going down guys.